So, we're gonna let the dogs out. They got these new apparatuses. Look, that's Kato. Believe it or not, and Kato got a hood. He's probably gonna fall down the steps, his lumpy ass. Hey, come on, Ace. They got ponchos. Mickey don't got one. See their ponchos? Mickey, no! Mickey just got pissed on. See, look, they all got hoods, so their heads don't get wet. See, Mickey got a hood. He's under there somewhere. Look at Kato walking in the rain in his jacket. His little raincoat. He can't see, but he's walking. Then we got Ace taking a squirt. He got his head up against the fence. Kato's falling out of his jacket. He's walking out of his jacket. Come here, Kato. He's having technical difficulties. Mickey, why'd you piss on him?